What's up, everybody? So on a lot of videos on YouTube, you see the folks using their mower. They tell their story about how they got it, why they like it. I've never really done that, but I think it's about time to tell my story, my Toro story. Let's get to it. So my Toro story is this. I had grown up my entire life using a Craftsman mower, whether it be a reel mower or it be a rotary mower. And I had a couple of them myself. When I used those, they did a great job, no problems. But about 3-4 years ago, I started to see that quite a few folks were using some of the Toro line. And I'd never really had any experience with Toro, but I saw that quite a few of them were using the Toro Super Recycler. And I was interested. I'm like, well, I'd like to see what exactly that can do for me. So one day, about 3 years ago, I was out mowing, and as I was doing so, all of a sudden, the mower that I was using just up and died.
What a piece of junk!
And I could not get it to start back up again. As I was going along, I had to say to my wife, looks like the mower died. And she said, well, why don't you just go get another one?
What did you say? What'd you just say?
You talking to me? You talking to me? Talking to me? So you talking to me? Well, I'm the only one here.
I don't know about you, but when Mama says go get another one, you go get another one.
So far, let's just keep it up.
That's right! We can't have anyone freak out there, okay? We've got to keep our composure. We've come too far. There's too much to lose. We've got to just keep our composure.
So I took advantage of it, and I went and got a Toro Super Recycler. And for the last 3 years, I've used it, and it has done an absolutely phenomenal job. It starts every time I pull it. I get an excellent cut quality. Sure, I have to sharpen the blades like any mower does, but when you take care of it, it takes care of you. And it has given me absolutely fantastic and phenomenal results over these past 3 years. And I absolutely love it. It's probably a shame that I never did a review video on it prior. Now, some of the things I love about this mower are the following. Not only does it give an exceptional cut, but when I put it into the mulch mode or put the mulch plug in, it does truly live up to its name in the Super Recycler. I never have any clippings and clumps left over after I'm done using it. It does a fantastic job. Also, I've been able to make some modifications myself.
It may not look like much, but she's got it where it counts, kid. I've made a lot of special modifications myself.
And be able to add my striping kit to the mower to help give me that pop that I'm looking for when it comes to the final cut, and be able to show off those stripes and have it look great and fantastic. Not too bad. She does a great job, especially with that striper on the back. Love it. It's just good to be back out in the yard mowing. Now that leads us into the giveaway for this particular video. A couple weeks back, I had the opportunity to receive a promotional package by way of a podcast that Toro was sponsoring. And when I got it, I loved it, but I thought to myself, why not give it to somebody else who really would love it and enjoy it? To be qualified, you have to be a subscriber and leave a comment on this video. In the middle of July, I will do a random drawing, and I will reach out to you, and I will get it shipped out to you. But here's a couple things that come with the package. This is Toro's Stripe promotional box. So, a couple of the cool things it has, and of course, like any promotional thing, cool little Toro hat, a couple little Toro branded promotional things that you can use and throw out in the yard. You've got your koozies. You've got this cool little miniature cornhole with all the Toro labeling and the branding. You got a set of straws that you can use. You've got a tablecloth that you can put out for a summer barbecue. And speaking about barbecue, that leads us to the last three things on the promotional box. There's this cool little branding iron that you can use to either maybe brand a steak or brand some leather or brand something else, just not your wife or your spouse or your kids. Do not apply to skin. But I thought that was kind of cool. There's some instructions on there on how to use that, but a pretty cool little item. Definitely somebody who's into the branding and stuff, that'd be a cool little thing to use. Then we've got the Toro, branded of course, barbecue set. You've got a spatula, a basting brush, a grill cleaner, and a pair of tongs to help move and flip over that nice piece of meat that you're cooking. And last, and certainly not least, probably my favorite thing, because I use these quite a bit, is a Toro apron, so that when you're cooking, you don't get everything all over you. And it's got a couple cool little things. Not only is it made of some really thick, canvasy type denim, but it's got this little insulated pocket. You could put a cold drink. I can almost imagine what kind of drink it'd be. And a bottle opener for all those times where you're slaving over a hot grill and you really want to just pop that top and get to it. So those will come in the promotional box. We'll ship that out to you. We'll get your name and address, and we'll get it out to you ASAP. Hey, thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell for any notifications on any future videos being posted. Also, like, share with your friends, and please comment down below. It really helps. And we'll see you in the next one.